Oil prices have risen as the massively destructive wildfires in Alberta, Canada knocked out over 1 million barrels in daily production capacity. The actual energy facilities near Fort McMurray have escaped major damage from the flames, but the restart of pumping is likely to be significantly delayed because many essential oil industry workers have been evacuated from the area. One expert said production will be shut for at least 2 to 3 weeks. The lost capacity is equivalent to near half of Canada's typical daily output, most of which is exported to the United States.